gonna go do an emergency tree job today. Just looking around, see what I needed. It's currently being held together with a ratchet strap. We'll see how bad it is when we get there, but we're gonna need this. This stuff, gold, baby, gold. Probably gonna need that. Gonna need this. Gonna need this. All right, I'm gonna get loaded up. We'll see you out there. We got the boom. We got the second dump trailer. We got Lake Otts Outdoor Services. And we got this maple that is literally being held together by a ratchet strap. Oh, unclimbable. Kind of a bummer. Maple's usually a fun climb. It's fun wood to work with, but not today. And we're off. Now, why do we rent a boom? We don't own a boom. Doing boom work can be fun, can give you more opportunity, but in a tree like this, where it is completely cracked, you know, that's just not a safe climbing situation, so we're gonna take off as much end weight as possible out over all these lines, get up in the top of the canopy here, get everything away from the house, and then we'll start bucking down some bigger chunks. Not too bad for somebody with just a high school education. So we're already clearing out over the lines. We're doing pretty good. I know I should have a fall harness on, blah, blah, blah. Who cares? Ugh. Little by little. We'll get her down. Get out of here. I mean, just look at this thing. It tore apart. This tree's coming apart like a blooming onion, man. Just peel it off in layers. Just take a little bite at a time. I mean, I can literally manipulate it from the boom. It's nuts. Get to the hall.
Do you have walkie-talkies or do you have a siren?
We have pagers.
Pagers, yeah.
Yeah, and text messages now. It's 2024.
Right.
Yeah, go ahead, take the slack out of it. All right, hold it tight. Some of you are going to complain that we're rigging with a carabiner, but it's light wood, it can handle it, it's a steel beaner, and we're not going too big. And we're rigging back up through onto the broken lead that's leaning out, so we're pulling all the tension back in, reducing a risk of a failure. All right, you ready? Same thing, hold tight. Perfect. Hell yeah. Money. I mean, that one's pretty clean. Oh no, that's embarrassing. I didn't cut the notch deep enough. That was embarrassing. But cut through the yellow rope. Let's go for a little ride up. Should we do it?
So is that the game plan tomorrow? Double, we both go up a tree?
Get it on his shoulder. Gotta put my 4-wheel drive on. Hi! 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 You can